What are you doing, Julian? What are you doing? You can talk? Say hi, Mima. Say hi, Mima. Talk. Say hi, Mima. Hi. You can talk? Say hi. Yeah, talk to Mima. What are you gonna say? Huh? Hi. 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 Are you saying hi? Yeah, you say hi, Mima? Hi. 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 Hi.